The toe.
I found the toe.
That's so
put it
funny.
back.
You were able to find it.
Well, yeah, I got the toe back too.
Yeah.
So was that you?
I didn't put the toe back physically, but I found it. I was looking for it. So,
I'm gonna go ahead
Yeah,
and
that-
Marky Moore's is right.
The toe may be the
Okay.
funniest story because
Oh, are we fine?
Yeah, we're
thought we only used one.
Yeah, I think we're okay.
I gave it to my buddy and he was like, "Oh, what is this?" He's like, "That's my toe." He's like, "Oh, dude, put it in your freezer. I'll come get it." My butt. Like, come on, man. It's just a toe.
You mean like right after the accident?
Oh no. You whatever you.
The little carton that I put it in.
Yeah.
The card.
So yeah, wrapped it up. It was a ball.
It was all wrapped up.
Yeah. So we're doing a wound care. It's the first time since surgery.
Mm-hmm.
That's the removal of my bottom of
Did
the
you
leg.
picture it?
The knee looks a lot worse than I was expecting, but
Yeah.
I was told it was not great.
No, I would just keep an eye on that because there's definitely a chance that that skin dies.
Yeah. You mean there's skin there?
Not really. No, there's not.
Oh,
That hurt you?
Is that-
yeah.
Are you
on
in
the
pain?
side. On the side. Yeah.
On this side?
Yeah.
Okay. There's nothing. I got you if you want to relax.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, do you always tuck that in?
Soft roll.
The swelling's gone down a little bit, maybe.
It has for sure.